Thank you for choosing Shop and Relax to handle all your shipping needs. Let's get started. Click on the sign up button, enter your phone name and email address. Go to your email and look for a message from us. Emails might also be in your spam or junk mail folder. Open the email and click on the link to verify your email address. You'll then receive a second email with your username and password, as well as your mailbox address. Now, you can use your mailbox address as your shipping address when you shop online. And whenever you're done shopping, you can log into Shipme Relax website to set up a shipping alert. Shipping alert tells us that you have packages on the way. On this page, you can give us special instructions, that is to combine your packages to reduce your shipping costs. And if this is your first time setting up a shipping alert, you would also be prompted to set up your final delivery address. You'll be alerted by email or text when your package leaves Miami, arrives on the island, clears customs, and when it is time for delivery. At this point, you'll be prompted to log onto Shop and Relax website and pay the applicable charges. You can also redeem your Shop and Relax discount coupons here. It is that simple. Your package is now on the way to your front door. Shop and Relax is always looking for ways to reduce your cost by removing double boxes, allowing you to combine packages, and offering coupons on social media. We improve your overall experience by offering several payment methods, timely email and text alerts. Membership is free. Click the sign up button to unlock great rewards.